Yep. Okay, let's see how you make a hamburger patty. Let's see you all by yourself.
Okay.
Is Grandma helping you at all?
No.
Nope. Okay. Silly.
Now I have to put in that.
Okay.
Can I make that?
Okay.
I need a little bit.
Okay, you need another one. Break off a chunk. I think you need more. That's too little.
Oh.
Bigger chunk. Oh, way bigger.
I need more.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
A little bit more.
I think it'll be okay once you press it down. See, it's okay. Why don't you work on this one now?
Okay.
Grab a big chunk. Okay, roll it around.
Did it?
Oops. Okay. Should we take a little more?
Yeah.
Okay, get some more here. Okay, roll it around. Okay, I think you need a little more in there.
Okay.
That should be good. All right, press them down. Okay, how do they look? This one's kind of scary looking. Can I push that down for you a little bit? And then you can do the next part, okay? Okay. All right, pull them out. Remember, very carefully pull it off there.
No. It's in the what?
It's gonna rip. You want help?
No.
Okay. Hey, you did it.
Hey.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, now the other side. Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna eat them all.
All right.
Dead.
Woohoo! Next one.
Okay.
Ta-da!
I'll do it down.
Say good job.
It's a sour.
Yep. Now we're going to fry them in the pan. You ready to fry them up with me? Okay. Say all done.